ठीक है. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is Oceanic Current. This one is very interesting to know about the different regions of world ocean currents. Let's see. Different ocean currents in different regions. Different ocean currents in different regions. Or first we'll start the currents in the Pacific Oceans particularly. Okay, we'll start the currents in the Pacific Oceans. Okay. Currents in the Pacific Oceans. There are various type of currents. Currents in the, if I say the currents in the Pacific Ocean, okay, I would like to say currents in the Pacific Ocean, currents in the Atlantic Ocean, then currents in the your Indian Ocean. There are three varieties of oceanic currents in these three oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Pacific Ocean's current, if we see Pacific Ocean current, first we will start the Pacific Ocean current. As we have already discussed that Pacific Oceans nearly comprise your 40% of your approximate 40% of your surface area. Surface area, Pacific Oceans near comprise your 40% of your surface area. Here we can say Pacific Ocean's current, if we say it's an first surface area among the all other oceans total as per the boundary lines. First we'll see the North Equatorial Current. We can say here the North Equatorial Current. See, this is in the Pacific Oceans. See, first of all, this is Australia, this landmass, and this is your entire Asiatic land. The Pacific Ocean is bounded by this your Asia in the west, North America in the east, okay, and your among the southwest is Australia, and southeast is your South America. This is all total the Pacific Oceans. This one is a bigger plate on total. Okay, among that, let us discuss one by one the North Equatorial Current. North Equatorial Current, we can see here is here. North Equatorial Current is here. That is okay. Okay, North Equatorial Current, we can say it is here. North Equatorial Current that is flows along the equatorial line. Okay, let's know North Equatorial Current by nature it is warm current. Okay, it is location is western coast of Mexico. It flows along the western coast of your Mexico. Okay, western coast of Mexico, and it flows from the western coast of North America to Philippines. Just see here. Western coast of North America to Philippines. Just see here. Western coast of North America. This is western coast of your North America. It is western coast of your North America, particularly North America to Philippines. Philippines is here. This is here Philippines. This one Philippines is here, and northwest coast. This is. Then next one, counter equatorial current. Counter equatorial current, it is the warm current. This counter equatorial current, it is the warm current. Location is West Mindanao, Philippines. Counter equatorial current is here, West Mindanao, Philippines. Counter equatorial current. This one is your counter equatorial current. Mindanao, it is in Philippines. Okay. Then you see this one, Kuroshio current. Kuroshio current also. Kuroshio current is near to the Japan. This nature is your warm current. This is along the coast of Philippines, Taiwan, Japan. It is driven under the influence of westerlies. Just to elaborate कहबी Kuroshio current जदि तुम देखुछ, see this one. Actually Kuroshio current ये जो नॉर्थ इक्वेटोरियल करंट आसिला till Philippines पर्यंत, Philippines रे कौन है, it is westerly कौन कला को Philippines पाखरु आपको ड्रिवेन कर, माने it is just moving like this one. Philippines रू उठिला ताइवान पाखरे गला, ताइवान पाखरे जापान कोस्ट गला ना, then एपटे चाइना जापान एपटे गला परे till it reaches the Sakhalin, your Aleutian Island, okay, or Kuril Island of Russia, है ना परे it till it reach कला it Alaska पर्यंत, माने northwestern, your USA पर्यंत, है ना, it completely driven by these currents. ठीक है, एटी पहुंचला परे how it reach, it covers a long distance. How it could possible? Mainly, यदि हम देखिए, it is mainly driven by your westerlies, है ना, westerly ही आपको mainly आपको driven करछे, westerly ही mainly it is driven by the under the influence of westerly, and it covers a long distance that from the Philippines to the your west coast of North America. It covers such a long distance. अच्छा, वर्तमान देखिए along the coast of Philippines, Taiwan and the Japan, then it drive under the influence of your westerlies. Okay, next, North Pacific current, we can say the North Pacific current. This North Pacific current again, where it comes, it is the warm current. North Pacific current, it is the warm current. Right? The prevailing westerlies enable them to reach west coast of the North America. Right? The prevailing westerlies enable them to reach the west coast of North America, where it bifurcates into two branches mainly. Right? Dita branch beta bifurcate. One is your warm British Columbia, or that is Alaska current. Another is your cold California current. Right? Warm British Columbia or Alaska current, and another is your cold California current. Right? तामने आम ये देखुं वेस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका पाखे पहुंचला परे ये जो करेंट है ये कौन हो बाइफरकेट है ना, दी भाग में विभक्त हो गोटे है तुम अलास्का करेंट ऊपर को पड़ो अलास्का करेंट आ गोटे तलू को आसु दैट इज योर कैलिफोर्निया करेंट. ठीक अच्छे, अलास्का करेंट आ गोटे कैलिफोर्निया करेंट. तो ये आम जो देखिले अलास्का करेंट है ना और ये कैलिफोर्निया करेंट. तो मुझे गोटे जिन जस्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से वन थिंग आई वुड रिप्रेजेंट लाइक द ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया. हाउ इट ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया इज बेसिकली यदि मैं कहबी ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया है ना, ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया है ना, ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया यदि मैं कहबी ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया इज एन प्रोविंस इन योर कनाडा है ना, ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया इज एन प्रोविंस इन कनाडा. ठीक है, British Columbia is an province in Canada, and British Columbia जदि को कहबी British Columbia is dominated by, means the major population is dominated by Indian Sikh populations. They are from the your Punjab. Basically, they migrated to there. In fact, it is not this century. In the last century also, in the 20th century also, there is a place in Vancouver where this Punjab, the Sikhs are migrated to there, and there is also we know the historical event occurred at that time, that is your Komagata-maru, which is supposed to means the ships they have from took sea from the this Baj of Kolkata to your via Japan, and from Japan this ship was supposed to go by. Then these ships were not allowed to landed at the Vancouver. Rather, the ships was asked to come back. Okay, these were some of the bad incidents that we went through this historical event. Okay, that's why it seems Komagata-maru from Japan to here. Okay. Next we'll see the North Pacific current, that is warm current, and the prevailing westerlies enable them to reach the west coast of North America. Okay. You can see west coast of North America, that is your British Columbia or Alaska, and another is your cold California current, that is North Pacific current. Then again we will see Okhotsk current. Okhotsk current is a cold current near Sakhalin, and it flows near the Sakhalin. Where it flows, Okhotsk current, just see here. See this one, Okhotsk current near Sakhalin. Sakhalin is an island. So Sakhalin is an island near the coast of Japan. Here, Sakhalin. Okhotsk current is here. Japan और रशिया मझे है ना Okhotsk current. Okay, so A packet Okhotsk current near the Sakhalin, and it merges with the OAS current. Okay, this is cold current. Then OAS current flows along the eastern coast of Kamchatka Peninsula and Kuril Island. Kamchatka Peninsula और Kuril Island. ये देखो OAS और Kamchatka current आपको कौन थी? OAS और it is Kamchatka current. ठीक है जी. It is mainly known as OAS current. It is our Arctic Sea रू इटा आସୁଛି. ठीक है जी. This is comes from the Arctic Sea. That's why it is very cold. This and this comes and it flows near. This is your Okhotsk पाखरे. এটা Okhotsk current সাথে মিশি যাচ্ছে ହେଲା this is OAS current and Okhotsk current সাথে মিশি যাচ্ছে. Okay, these both are the cold current. That's why I have written here flows along the eastern coast of Kamchatka Peninsula and the Kuril Island. Kuril Island বর্তমান রাশিয়া কন্ট্রোলে আছে, but Japan is claiming no, it is ours. So there is a fighting in between both the countries, Japan और रशिया सागरे. ठीक है जी. Next I will see what happened then. Then there is a question बर्तमान मन रे आस्तो कि एदिटा करंट पुनी केमती फर्दर कोन होचंदी एटी मिसी गला परे तापर एमाने ए गल्फ स्ट्रीम सागर पुनी मिस होचंदी. ठीक है, ये जो मिसी होचंदी गल्फ स्ट्रीम सागर है ना, दैट क्रिएट्स ए world's major fishing hub near the Japan's coast. है ना, major fishing hub near the Japan's coast. है ना, हमें एक जगह गुरु major fishing hub world रे fishing hub कोटी को जगह जो जगह वर्ल्ड रे हमरा मेजर किसी को खाली विल डिस्कस प्रथमे ये मन रखो दैट इज योर डॉगो बैंक है यूरोप रे डगर बैंक यूरोप रे देन ग्रैंड बैंक यूएस रे डगर बैंक यूरोप ग्रैंड बैंक यूएस then 3 number that is your Japan coast that is माने जापान नियर जापान कोस्ट जोटी तमरो OAS यूरोसियम मिशन गल्फ या संगे पर्टिकुलरली your Kuroshio current संगे so we will discuss further डगर बैंक और ग्रैंड बैंक विषय नेक्स्ट देखिए these are the cold current है तापर current देछि that is East Australian current देखो East Australian current कोडी East Australian current जदि मैं कहबी that flows along the eastern coast of Australia just see here East Australian current that flows near the eastern coast of Australia eastern coast of Australia East Australian current flow করছে ঠিক আছে যদি এপড়ে ফ্লো করছে then you know this is East Australian current উপরে then right that is in warm current Pacific Ocean the East Australian current that is in warm current right it flows from west to east in the South Pacific right flows from the west to east from the South Pacific ने west to east को flow करते देखो west to east को flow करते हैं from the west Australia west to east को माने Australia eastern coast ने की till Chile पर्यंत ना Chile पेरू पर्यंत से completely flow होची this is West Australian current and it while passes it crosses through the Pacific Oceans the Pacific Ocean just look at here see diagram speaks 1000 words diagram में बहुत दिन सामने clarity रहेगा next time देखिए then Peruvian or the Humboldt current how you define this one Peruvian or Humboldt current Peruvian or the Humboldt current nature is a cold current particularly nature is a cold current it flows near the west coast of Peru west coast of Peru South America है ना Peruvian current जो देखो west coast of Peru और South America रे flow करते है ना जो सेठी में हम देखिए Peru current और Humboldt current कौन थे South America रे Then next So this is all about your Pacific Ocean current. Pacific Ocean current ऊपर just wait it. बड़े थोड़ा कही दूँचे केमती this is Curacao, then OAS North Pacific current, then British Columbia ये पाखरे, then you can see North Equatorial current here, then California current, then Peru current here, then East Australian current. These are the currents that flows in the Pacific Ocean. So now we'll see now the currents in the Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean যদি আমি কহিবা, Atlantic is ocean in terms of about Atlantic Ocean. About Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean after Pacific. The second largest ocean after Pacific. The second largest ocean after Pacific, and যদি এটি আমি দেখতে পারিবা Atlantic Ocean को just look at here. This is entirely your Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean का western side रे North America, eastern side रे Europe, पुरी south western side रे America, south eastern side रे Africa. So this is completely enclosed with this fourth surrounding. And the north रे देखो it is Greenland, and south रे देखो it is by the your Antarctica. Next देखो हम एटी North Equatorial current. देखो it is by nature it is the warm current. ठीक है जी. Location description, it is the west coast of Africa, western coast of Africa. ठीक है जी. North Equatorial current पुणी हमें देखो एटी देख परियो एटी just look at here. North Equatorial current, just look at here. North Equatorial current, here it is North Equatorial current. Okay, this is a warm current, western coast of Africa. It goes western coast of your Africa. Then counter equatorial current is warm current, eastern coast of Mexico. Counter equatorial current, eastern coast of your Mexico. This is देखो Sargasso Sea भी कहा जाए. Sargasso Sea is also known as your Atlantic Ocean. This falls in your Atlantic Oceans. and this is Sargasso Sea, right? Florida current है by nature it is warm current. Florida है by nature it is warm current. Location is your near Florida. Location near Florida up to Cape Hatteras. Florida current, natural warm current near Florida up to Cape Hatteras. Up to Cape Hatteras is here. Just look at here. Cape Hatteras is particularly, if I say Cape Hatteras is a jagah particularly. This is Cape Hatteras. This is Cape Hatteras, US or Mexico coast or just Cape Hatteras. This is the place, Cape Hatteras. Atlas से देखी परियो सेठी Cape Hatteras जो भी अच्छी सेठी तुम्हारा आगुटे अच्छी, that is your Chesapeake Bay. है Chesapeake Bay लिखा है जी, जो एक oyster फाइन से फेमस oyster farming फाइन Chesapeake Bay. ठीक है जी. तो ये कौन देखते कि Florida current near Florida to up to Cape Hatteras. मैंने Florida पाखुरु up to till Cape Hatteras. Florida is here. 880 बंदला तुम्हारा your Gulf Florida current. Then is your Gulf Stream. Gulf Stream हमें जैसे कहेगा Gulf Stream का कौन? This natural पूरी warm current है ना? ये बोला बेटी को पूछा. Off the Cape Hatteras, off to Grand Bank of Newfoundland, off the Cape Hatteras up to the Grand Bank of Newfoundland, the Florida current is known as your Gulf Stream. Florida current is known as your Gulf Stream. From the Grand Banks, from the Grand Banks, the Gulf Stream moves eastward. Eastward to move karibo across the Atlantic. Moves eastward across the Atlantic Ocean. Then it is known as your North Atlantic Drift basically. Across the ocean to move it is known as your North Atlantic Drift. It's a move till Grand Bank the Gulf Stream A2 till across the up to till Norwegian coast. Just you can see here. Grand Banks of Newfoundland particularly. To Newfoundland, the Florida current is known as whole Gulf Stream. Then the Grand Banks of the Gulf Stream moves eastward across the Atlantic and is known as the North Atlantic Drift. Just look at here again. ये जो जगह देखुच till आम जान फ्लोरिडा करंट यही पाखरु पर्यंत मुझे एफ लिखली माने फ्लोरिडा एफएल तापर एठू ने टिल न्यूफाउंडलैंड पर्यंत ए पर्यंत दैट इज योर गल्फ स्ट्रीम. ठीक है. This is Grand Bank. Grand Bank is जगह है Gulf Stream. यहाँ पे कौन होगा? ये जो current है तुम्हारा this Gulf Stream, this is known as your North Atlantic Drift. North Atlantic Drift it होगा. This North Atlantic Drift this flows till the Europe. है ना? Europe पर जो डेटा flow करेगा Europe में. ठीक अच्छे देन ये जो नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ड्रिफ्ट एटा हाउ इट फ्लोज दिस अटलांटिक ड्रिफ्ट जदि कहबे इट बाइफरकेट्स इनटू two branches, that is your Norwegian branch current and Canary current, है Norwegian current and your Canary current particularly, है Norwegian and Canary current. Norwegian current जब तुम कभी कौन, it is by nature it is warm current, ठीक है जी. Norwegian current it is your warm current. The northern branch of the Atlantic drift flows along the Norway coast and enters the Arctic Ocean. कौन होगा? The northern branch of your North Atlantic drift. The northern branch of your North Atlantic drift flows along the Norway coast and enters the Arctic Oceans, particularly. Arctic Ocean को enter करती है Norwegian current. That is also it is clearly हमको देखा होची. is North Atlantic drift the Norwegian coast को आछि it is a bifurcate होछि Norwegian coast पाखरे then तारा ऊपर साकड़ला that is your Norwegian current तलटा हला that is your Canary current ठीक अछि. Then Norwegian current by nature is a warm current ठीक अछि. The northern branch of North Atlantic drift flows along the Norway coast and enters the Arctic Ocean. Northern branch of North Atlantic drift flows along the Norway coast and enters the Arctic Ocean. It is Canary current. Canary current by nature it is a cold current. The southern branch of the North Atlantic drift flows near Spain and western coast of North America. Next we will see this one. How this Canary current is a cold current that flows along the coast of the Portugal. This flows along the coast of your Portugal, your northern part of Morocco side, Africa से side रे आछे. Just माने तमने एठी भी देखि परियो हैला Canary current. Just see Portugal एठी हैला परे हैला this Morocco हैला ए side देखि आछे. Northwestern coast of your USA, northwestern coast of your USA. Then you see the East Greenland current. I can say the East Greenland current. It is also a cold current. East Greenland current by it is cold current, East Greenland current. Let's see here. This is East Greenland current. East Greenland current, it is also the cold current. Flows along the eastern coast of the Greenland, Greenland eastern coast from the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean এটা দেখা হচ্ছে East Greenland current. Greenland current, it is here, it is going Arctic Ocean flow towards the Atlantic Ocean. Then your Labrador current, it is your also cold current along the Baffin Bay and Abyss Strait. Baffin Bay और Abyss Strait देखिए कोड है, देखिए बोला देखो है. East Greenland, this is one record. This is Greenland. After Antarctica, it is our loneliest, number 2 रे. और जब Antarctica भी loneliest, it is अल्प लोग पहुँचेंगे, but it is major part A side रे अच्छा है, but major part your Greenland रे, and then it's completely this is your facing this part of freezing, and it is not inhabited by many populations, है ना? इतने populations आज ये चल पड़े, it is completely, अच्छा. जब हमें देखिए laboratory current ऊपर है, जब देखिए कि laboratory current अच्छी, कहीं की इधर laboratory C अच्छी particular, laboratory C is here. ये जगह देखो हम लोग. This is your Hudson Bay. This is your Hudson Bay, and this is your Baffin Bay. Hudson Bay. This is Baffin Bay. And that is why this is Baffin Bay. This is the reason why your currents are there. You can say here laboratory current, Baffin Bay and the Ravi Strait meet the Gulf Stream and produces the most fishing, most famous fishing ground near Newfoundland, particularly. Newfoundland bakare, it is most famous fishing ground produced. You can say. Then it is a Brazil current. It is by nature it has a warm current. Brazil current is your warm current. It is flows along the Brazil coast. Brazil coast it flow korche. Brazil current. Brazil coast it dekho. Brazil current is here. Just look at here. Just look at here. This map is more clarity because Southern Atlantic Oceans re majorly it is Brazil current is your here. This is your Brazil current, and on the coast of Brazil it is more clearly visible. Brazil coast re Brazilian current. जोटा कि इटा हमारा eastern part of your South America. Okay, this is the Brazil coast or the Brazilian current. This is by nature it is your warm current, because you see your red symbols are your warm current, and where the blue color symbols are your cold current. Okay, तो देखिए then another current it is your it हम पढ़ले कि जो laboratory current for a Brazil current है Brazilian coast, then your Bengal current. Okay, Bengal current जैसे मैं देखूँ जो Bengal current is it is a cold current also. Bengal current जैसे मैं देखूँ it's a cold current along the southwest coast of Africa southwest coast near Cape of Good Hope. Near Cape of Good Hope. Bengal current देखो Cape of Good Hope का कोडी. This is southernmost. किंतु southern tip पे जब देखो Cape of Good Hope. ये देखो Bengal current here it is cold current. Bengal current. अब कोडी এটা হচ্ছে mainly it is your Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope पर हमारा Bengal current mainly flow होती है, and because of this Benguela current, that is it may be generates because due to your upwelling process. Hello, upwelling process जो कि Benguela current mostly आସୁଛି. ठीक ଅଛି, Benguela current जब तक देखियो Benguela current जो को ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଏଇ particularly just ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି. Due to the presence of Benguela current, due to the presence of Benguela current, this is upwelling process takes place. Due to this process, when each process due to such process, upwelling process जो कौन होगा? Warm seawater comes out. Seawater comes out. इसमें कौन होगा? Warm seawater comes out असला परे your fishes are well available due to such. Fishes are available due to such. This is Benguela current. Benguela current जब हम देखो को country mainly आसुन Benguela current ऊपर Africa continent रे माने जब हम देखो है सेतरे ये दोचे ଗୋଟେ Namibia ଗୋଟେ country ଅଛି. Namibia here. This is entirely it is Namibia mostly. Namibia parts of your southwestern part रे Angola ଗୋଟେ country ଅଛି छोटा country. That is your Angola. Small country is there, that is Angola. Okay. So these are the countries that comes around here. Okay. Next time देखियो आउ को country माने better रहिबो cold current रे हैला तापर मोड ओवरऑल में डिस्कस कर दिबी को continent रे केमती here होची है ना. देखो नेक्स्ट तापर हम रहला कोन लास्ट दैट इज your Falkland current. Falkland current is a cold current. It is basically it flows near the Falkland Island, Falkland Island and along the southeast coast of Argentina. It's a cold current. Falkland current is the southeast coast of Argentina. You can say this is ये जो coast था मैं देखूँ चो This is your Falkland current, and Falkland current यदि हम देखिए by nature it is a cold current, है ना. Falkland current is a cold current, flows near the Falkland Island along the southeastern coast of Argentina, है ना, along the southeastern coast of your Argentina ये part में, ठीक है, southeastern coast of your Argentina. ठीक है जी. Then we will see how these oceanic currents have an effect. So this is all about your currents in your Atlantic Oceans. इतने बड़ा current that what हमें देखिले कि it is entirely covers in your, particularly we have discussed that particularly cover total North American side, Europe side, then South America side and Africa side. So प्रथम देखियो इटा गोटे H curve रो shape अछि है. It is because Atlantic पे Atlantic रो प्रथम देखियो upper part टा middle part टा squeeze हे जाइछ, but upper part टा टिके stretch हे जाइछ है ना. South America जे तमे देखियो, sorry, North America रे North America और South America भितरे North America South America it is mainly because of your मतलब देखो तो North America और South America South America भितरे it is also their eastern part is majorly dominated by your Atlantic Oceans है. And even if जब same थी देखिए जो Europe रो eastern side और Australia Africa रा entire western coast है is dominated by the Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean plays a very vital role. Atlantic Ocean plays a very vital role in the life of the people of this major continents. Okay, and particularly to the coastal communities. How come? It brings livelihoods for as fishing as a livelihoods for these countries people. Either it is in Africa or your South America. Fishing तांकर major livelihood population तांकर ठीक अछि. Next time देखिए how कौन तांकर Greenland और एपटे यूरोप रो टोटल लेकी गोटे ये तांकर गोटे कम्युनिटी क्वेश्चन particularly है ना. There are few pockets of that countries. If I say the trade exists between countries, trade exists between the countries to trade exists between the countries to trade exists between the countries to to promote their business, and because of this your cultural ties do develop. Because of this cultural ties do develop also. So this is in the coast of this continents in the North America, South America, Europe and Africa. If we same discuss, we will say near about your Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, if I say the Pacific Ocean also the same. It is surrounded by majorly which countries, particularly the continents of Asia. Asia continent countries mainly your China, Japan, Indonesia, Philippines, Korea, Australia, New Zealand, all archipelagos, Pacific archipelagos that falls under your Pacific Oceans category. Then if I say your Asia for Europe, European side, Asmita Pacific, it not comes under your European side, is not comes under your Pacific side. Rather, I can say the western coast of your, North America. You can say the western coast of your North America and South America. ठीक है जी. वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका और साउथ अमेरिका दिन भी नॉर्थ अमेरिका रे को कंट्री जीवो पर्टिकुलरली कनाडा, यूएसए, मेक्सिको, एल साल्वाडोर, Panama, Honduras, these are all the Latin American countries एमाने जिबे. Then एपटे जब देखियो तुम्हारे की जिबे माने यदि एपटे you see here की जिबे here you see the Colombia, Peru, Equator and Chile. Majorly I cover Colombia, Equator, Peru, Chile. They majorly covered by this Pacific. These are these countries. So hence we can say particularly these are the countries where your major fall driver, major fall. These are the Pacific by the Pacific Oceans, cultural, not only the trade, not only the trade, also the cultural fabrics, and ethnic, religious sentiments are exchanged among the communities or in between the civilizations. Okay, so this is all about, we have broadly discussed about your Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean currents. In the coming class, we'll discuss about your particularly Indian Oceans part and other also the other interesting features of oceans, our oceans. Okay, so thank you all. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you all. Take care. Bye.